Navnita Adappa, the founder of Prakriti Herbals. Well, I was very lucky to get mentoring under the Dream to Destination program from Mr. Vijay Radha. And the things that I selected, or I would suggest you would select when you select a business mentor, you would look for is primarily somebody who understands you, somebody who respects you, and somebody who makes you think. A mentor need not be somebody who gives you ready-made solutions, who does hand-holding, because that does not work. Personally, for me as a person, it's always been when I have thought about it, when I have been made to think about something and think over the problem in my own mind and get the solution on my own, is when it has worked on a long-term basis. I would also say a business mentor should, you could say they would be like a lighthouse in stormy waters. So if you compare it to being in business trouble. So like a lighthouse, it shows you what it does. It shows you where you are. It shows you the rocks around you. It shows you the challenges you are going to face. It also shows you the shore across where you can reach out safely and the direction in which you have to move to reach it. But the lighthouse does not come to the ship. It does not do any hand holding. It does not do it for the ship. The ship or the mentee has to do it for themselves. They have to understand for themselves what is the right path to take the guidance from the lighthouse and reach the shore safely. I think that is the kind of a role a business mentor has played in my life too, because my mentor has made me introspect, think, come up with solutions for my problems, for my business problems on my own, and implement them in such a way that it stays with me long term. It's also very important that the business mentor understands where you're coming from. What are your values? What do you want to bring to your business? What are your aspirations? What are your ambitions? There might be somebody who is happy with a small scale business. There's somebody who would really want to expand. And then the goals are different, and then the paths are different that they need to take. So a mentor should be able to understand where you're coming from. And also there should be mutual respect between the mentor and the mentee. Just like we respect the mentor for the guidance and the introspection and the values and the kind of help that we get from the mentor, it's also necessary for the mentor to respect the mentee for the journey that they have traveled so far, because each one of us in our own right have done something to reach where we are. And it is very important that they acknowledge where we are, show us our mistakes, and help us along to reach much greater heights. I think that could be a mutual respect and admiration. Mentor-mentee relationship could really take your business to great levels.